up, YouTube, and welcome to a beautiful Sunday morning with a new lens and a new mic that hopefully does great. We took the RX-7 out to David's shop. Yeah, it just arrived, as you guys just saw, and yeah, gonna do some stuff to his car, to my car, and then go and meet another friend. Hope you guys can hear me, but it's hella packed in here. Bruder.
Das Auto wurde leiser oder hast du den Muffler wieder rausgemacht?
Nein.
Richtig flocken.
Tschüss. You guys remember last time we sandblasted these TEs? Those are the reels now. We powder coated them. Tschüss. Tschüss.
Total.
Yeah.
And very much space everywhere between the brakes, because the guy that sells these brakes says you should 17, some of the 17s goes, like most of them won't fit, and if you look at this, like a whole hand almost fits like in between, so
TEs are the way.
it's crazy. And here auch, I think you could also run these without spacers to 10 almost. Now 10
But then the
spacers.
filaments wouldn't be that good.
Yeah.
Filaments. Damn.
So like the only problem now is I can't close the hood
Why?
because I don't know what to do, but this is the original latch.
Mm-hmm.
There's like a hole in here, but of course because of the
in the
cooler
cooler.
it won't fit.
The radiator, huh?
Yeah. And now I don't know what to do. Yeah, because the problem is I don't want to do like gay ass aero catch motorsport. Because the problem is if you just hold it on one side, you see that the other side sticks up.
Going up. Huh?
So you would have to do something in the middle. Yeah, but I don't know. I thought about maybe like cutting.
Just run no hood.
I don't know, cutting this and put it like somewhere else where it maybe
Kinda
will
good.
work again. What do you want to do? An aero catch.
Or just bend the radiator, hammer on it.
Yeah, but there's no way, because I thought maybe moving the radiator a little bit.
Fuck.
But because I thought about going all the way inside, because the E-fan is on the other side, but still it won't fit. So. And I
But maybe it's hitting the weld. You can just sand it down. Like grind it down.
No. I mean, even if I go all the way back, it won't fit, because the thing is that big, the holding thing. So this has to go in there.
Ah.
No,
But there is no space because of the
fits
radiator.
down there and just looks in here. This then goes in here.
Pain.
Nix Chance.
Big pain. But the wheels? Tschüss. Not bad. So the plan right now is I brought my toe blades and we're going to try and align the front wheels of the 30 because they look in every direction but not the one they're supposed to do, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try to do right now. First of all, he has to put the wheels straight, at least somehow.
It's gut, oder?
Toe blades are set up, and as you guys can see, I mean, you can already see it by eye because it's so tremendously, but we got a lot of toe out right now, both wheels. So this guy has to adjust it now. Cave divers be like.
Oh, was mache ich denn? It's always the wrong one.
So, good night.
Meow.
We're done. The wheels are straight. Put the wheels to 0 toe. no toe in, no toe out, should be fine in the beginning. Then you can adjust them to whatever once the car's on the street driving. It's gonna take a while. Wow. Meow, 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 meow. Yeah. Gonna clean stuff up here right now. And then head to another friend's shop with a Kuda 13, I think. It was in the videos before. I built like a tube front end for him. But his car is somewhat done now, it's running. So we're gonna check that out, hang out a bit for a bit. And yeah, I'm hyped.
You wanna go now or you wanna go in 5 minutes? Or what do you wanna do? I'm gonna wash my hands.
Had to put on the mandatory banner on the E30. Boom. If you guys want one, check out the shop. Link in bio. Go grab yourself one. Be as cool as us. Cab. And yeah, it's on there. Huh?
Thanks.
Crazy. Crazy work.
No.
Crazy work. Yeah, we're gonna try to close his hood now. Then push out the car. And then we wanna take some pictures together of both cars. Because they're gonna look sick together. Both white on white with some girly colored harness in there. Wow. Wow. Not looking that good. Oh no. That's ghetto. Starts up hella nice. Wow.
Spürt das nicht auf, was
That's even worse than the RX-7 back then. Damn, both of the cars together for the first time. Damn, this looks sick. This looks sick. Look at him. Oh my god. This guy still can't close his hood, but whatever. I'm gonna take some photos now, film something for the TikTok. But yeah, look sick together. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. So sick. The shit got both the same, had the same color combination of colors. Ooh. The white on white, blue stickers on the wheels, both of us. Damn. Mine are not as clean. Girly colored harnesses. Type shit.
Your blue calipers are missing.
Huh?
Blue calipers are missing. I wouldn't paint them blue if they weren't. I bought them blue, so
just kept them like that.
I'm a
my mama.
No, I'm a lazy guy, you know, so I won't paint them again.
Hello. Okay, we're done. Parked the 30 away again. And now we're heading to Manu's shop, aka Nissan Papi, aka TÜV Papi. Yeah. Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go! Yerp. Yogurt. So we just made it to Manu's place. Gotta show you guys something, because there's something new going on with the RX-7. Because look what we bought, or what I bought. First of all, FC Turbo intake manifold with some sensors and a compression tube. Also, look at me, Ah! Got a Link ECU wideband, and a whole harness, the DC for it, for the car. So, guess what's going to happen? We boost this hoe. We boosting this hoe. Hell yeah. But yeah, more coming soon. Still gotta collect some parts. We memo. But yeah, Manu's car's back. From the guy that did all the wiring, harness and stuff. Gotta look at it. Wait. Gotta show you guys the dash. What else he has now? So sick. I think it was top left. No, fuck. Wait. Where is it? Still has to wire some stuff. And now. Damn. But he can't start the car right now because the battery's dead or some other stuff. I don't know. But that's fucking sick. Yeah. But that's what the car looks like for now. Still needs the side skirts, rear bumper, and spoiler and stuff, but so sick. Stoked. So stoked about the ECU, but we're gonna talk about it later. Ja.
Der hätte es doch wirklich verkaufen wollen. Hab ich gesagt. Das ist schon eine Überlegung wert, ne?
Hä? Tschüss. Uff. Ja. You know you got money, or you know someone got money, and they got like rinse screen cleaner at home or in the shop from like a proper company, not just some bougie ass. Los geht's. Even the paper towels, tschüss. Proper. Yeah, not some old, dirty, oily. Tschüss.
The magician.
So Japanese, oh my god. Look. Super sick. Oh my god, look, G4X Link ECU for the RX-7 with the boom tube. I'm so stoked. And also, it's a custom harness from the guy that I bought it from. He does like harness stuff. He also built a harness on Manu's car. Sick. But yeah, in case you wondered, that's what it looks like. Yeah. He said this harness wasn't his best work, it's somewhat old and for his car, but the one in Manu's car, for example, is like crazy. Yeah.
Der brät kein E-Brake.
Trying to test fit the dash, but it's hitting one of the big plugs. You can't see it, but it's hitting one of the connectors in there. So Manu gonna pull it out, drill a hole in there, and he also got... This guy got way too much money. Way too much money. TÜV game is working. 326 and 326 dash mat. That's Manu in his younger years when he was under 30.
Insane, wie viel gejudged wird.
Is that a V-Band? That's the V-Band everybody's talking about.
Habt ihr keine große Flex?
Doch.
Aber
Ich hab Angst vor Flex.
ich mach dir das.
Oh. Most normal S13 dash. Tschüss.
Falsche Position. Insane.
No way.
Der Mann wollte das schon wieder in den
Wait. Ah! Oh.
Hängt es.
Hä? Geh mal bei ihr wieder rein.
Man. That doesn't look good, bruv.
Okay.
You know what's funny? Remember when I said you gotta put it where the hole is already? That's how you build race cars.
Das ist eine Lösung, Schere. Guck mal, das war.
Tschüss.
Da wird nicht gekleckert.
Tschüss.
So Tuning gemacht.
Das haben wieder die Kleber gesagt.
Ja, das Problem ist nicht so lang, die wird jetzt dann überall aufstehen.
Die kennen 20 nicht so lang ist.
Every American
wird alles machen.
hates Manu right now because it was a pristine looking. Yeah, don't mind that. But besides that, that was like really good condition. Hey, we just put a hole in there.
Ja, Hochglanes. Oh nein, die kleben nicht. Das ist dieses Dreckszeug.
Oh hell no. Das ist Bremsenreiniger?
Oder Silikonentferner. Silikonentferner.
Bree.
Because now the stuff doesn't stick. So use some brake cleaner. Yeah,
Jada, jada.
took way too much money. Crazy. Okay.
Ja, Mann.
Tschüss.
Okay.
Tschüss.
Oh. Damn.
It's like the same with a newborn child, you know, when they're like a few months old, you can also like push in the forehead like that.
No, the backhead, not the forehead.
I think wasn't it the forehead?
Hinterkopf. Hinterkopf.
Tschüss. David has 3 childs already, but they never met him.
Komplette Dash kaputt machen. Das ist immer so ein bisschen.
Feller waves, but doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Tschüss. Back shots right here. Okay. Get any more, but the dash is in. Damn, dash is in. The dash mat. And we are done. We're done for today. Well, gonna go and eat something now. It's 1 minute away from here. The roads here right next to Manu shop. Insanely cool. Oops. Kind of nice up here. Okay. Enjoying the nice weather. Just had some dinner and now we're driving home. The RX-7. Gonna drop off this guy first.
In a long way. We got
Long way. But yeah, looks super sick up here on the tollgate. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Go check out the shop. Get some stickerinos. Maybe one of the heads. There's still some available. But yeah, peace out. See you guys in the next video. Let's go. Let's go.